Good afternoon, everyone. This is me again. I will speaking. Only preaching peace and love. So the phrase for this afternoon is, guys, gentlemen out there, be careful. Be careful of your friends. Be careful of your family. Be careful of those who say they love you. Because even the closest ones to you will stab you in the back. So for us there, our gents who are hardworking and are looking out for themselves and their families, be careful, even for the ones you are looking out for. Be careful, my gents. So the phrase for today is, be careful, look out, watch, even the ones closest to you. Abu, only preaching peace and love out.